When we have two actions, we need connector to. I want to go. I need to eat. Let's practice. Do you need to clean the house?
Yes, I need to clean the house.
Do you want to clean the house?
No, I don't want to clean the house.
Do you need to clean the house? Respond. Do you want to clean the house? Respond. Very good. Now we have two actions. We need connector to. But we have a person here. Now, action want. We have person before the action and person after the action. Before the action, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. After the action, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. So, example, I want you to learn English. I want you to study. I want you to practice. Example, I don't want to clean the house, but I have children. I want my children to clean the house. Or them. I want them to clean the house. It is not correct, I want that they clean. They clean is not correct. I want them to clean. I want them to clean the house. Let's practice. Do you want to clean the house?
No, I don't want to clean the house.
Do you want to clean the house? Respond. Very good. Do you want them to clean the house?
Yes, I want them to clean the house.
Do you want them to clean the house? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Do you want to wash the dishes?
No, I don't want to wash the dishes.
Do you want to wash the dishes? Respond. Very good. Do you want her to wash the dishes?
Yes, I want her to wash the dishes.
Very good. Do you want her to wash the dishes? Respond. Very good. Do you want to take out the trash?
No, I don't want to take out the trash.
Do you want to take out the trash? Respond. Very good. Do you want him to take out the trash?
Yes, I want him to take out the trash.
Do you want him to take out the trash? Respond. Very good. Do you want to sweep the floor?
No, I don't want to sweep the floor.
Do you want him to sweep the floor?
Yes, I want him to sweep the floor.
Do you want to sweep the floor? Respond. Do you want him to sweep the floor? Respond. Very good. So let's practice. Do you want to paint the house?
No, I don't want to paint the house.
Do you want him to paint the house?
Yes, I want him to paint the house.
Do you want to paint the house? Respond. Do you want him to paint the house? Respond. Very good. Do you want to fix the toilet?
No, I don't want to fix the toilet.
Do you want him to fix the toilet?
Yes, I want him to fix the toilet.
Do you want to fix the toilet? Respond. Do you want him to fix the toilet? Very good. Let's practice. Do you want to fix the sink?
No, I don't want to fix the sink.
Do you want him to fix the sink?
Yes, I want him to fix the sink.
Do you want to fix the sink? Respond. Do you want him to fix the sink? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. What do you want me to do?
I want you to cook dinner.
Okay. What do you want me to do? Okay. What do you want me to do?
I want you to mop the floor.
Maybe tomorrow. What do you want me to do? Very good. Let's practice. What do you want me to do?
I want you to come at 8 o'clock.
What do you want me to do? Very good. Example. When you make a question with want is a simple action. So we need our helper do. Do you want? Question. What do you want? Person. Me to do. Do is a general action when you make questions for activity. So what do you want me to do? I want you to cook dinner. Let's practice the question. Make a question with want.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to cook dinner. Make a question with want. I want you to cook dinner. Let's practice. Make a question with want.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to mop the floor. Make a question with want. I want you to mop the floor. Let's practice. Make a question with want.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to come at 8 o'clock.
Sounds good.
Make a question with want. I want you to come at 8 o'clock.